Another big story we're following is the future of abortion rights in America. Roe versus Wade might get overturned. Senate Democrats tried passing the Women's Health Protection Act, but that measure failed tonight. The legislation would have made the abortion rights protected by Roe versus Wade federal law. Let's continue our coverage live from the Supreme Court. John Henry is there. And John, we keep seeing these protests out there, and we're learning about a big one planned for this weekend.
Yeah, that's right. Those protests continued tonight, and both sides of the Roe v. Wade debate showed up right here at the Supreme Court.
People united!
There's another human being in there. It's not your body.
Not doing anything right now.
They think we have the womb and we have the right to decide.
I don't like my personal issues and my privacy and my health being used as a pawn.
We do not.
While this protest was relatively small, on Saturday, Planned Parenthood and the Women's March are putting together a rally that could attract an estimated 17,000 people, according to a National Park Service permit.
I think very few people are interested in inviting the government into personal choices.
From noon to 3, protesters will march from the Washington Monument to the Supreme Court to protect abortion rights.
It's a day one initiative of a reinvestment of many people into the fight, into the movement, into political homes.
The uncertainty as to what will happen next with Roe v. Wade has left women's clinics fielding a lot of calls about abortions lately. Planned Parenthood Metropolitan Washington oversees 3 clinics in D.C. and Maryland.
We're definitely getting a lot more calls and certainly people who are interested in trying to get appointments scheduled. We're seeing people who are coming to us from Texas, from Florida, from Georgia, from Ohio, from Pennsylvania.
And Planned Parenthood adds interest in birth control has increased too across the country.
After the leak, there was about a 30% increase in demand for patients who are wanting to get appointments for birth control, who are seeking online.
But Planned Parenthood reiterated that once again, abortions are still legal here in our area. Now, one more thing when it comes to security, it appears that it is tightening. Tonight, outside of Justice Brett Kavanaugh's home, we actually noticed U.S. Marshals for the first time. We know those came at the direction of the U.S. Attorney General. Leslie?
All right, John, thank you. And if a state bans abortion, can it ban people from getting one in another state? We're going to verify if that's legal in 60 seconds.